Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to set messages and requests on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So if you want to know how to choose who can send you messages, you need to go to your profile settings. So first of all, click on your account icon in the top right corner, and here press on settings. So, what we can do now? Now we need to click on General Account Settings in the top and scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, it's safety parameters. We need to choose chat and messaging permissions. So, and now you can choose whatever you want. Chat requests anyone, accounts older than 13 days or nobody, and who can send you direct messages. So choose whatever you want, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.